Just finished the porch extension. This is where it used to stop right here. Add another 2 feet. Some more handles. The original stairs were about 15 feet high in the air. Let's see. Oh, not bad. The hardest part putting in was these braces right here. That was the hardest part. I think on the instruction manuals during 8, 9, 10, and 11. Just make sure that you have the correct tops and bottoms for the correct left and rights. I haven't been disappointed so far in all these years with the Redneck blind. If anybody hasn't gotten a porch extension, I highly recommend it. Okay.